Hi there, this is the Canvas tour for Organic Chemistry 2, course CHE 256 for spring 2022 semester. So when you log into Canvas, you should land on this page here. I believe it starts on the syllabus page. So at the top here, you're going to see recent announcements. There's been some announcements prior to the start of the semester, just dealing with the Canvas course shell going live, lecture attendance, how that's going to happen. That will be explained the first day of class. And just some general reading about a Pfizer molecule that has come out over the winter break. So what you'll find on this syllabus page is contact information for me, the instructor, which I've also posted in the syllabus tour video and will also go over the first day of class. Additionally, you will find the PDF of the syllabus, so if you click that, it launches this view, which you can see the electronic copy. I definitely encourage you to save the PDF and also print that off as a hard copy. So scrolling all the way down, you see the course summary. These are essentially due dates of assignments for the course. So you'll notice by Wednesday, January 26th, the syllabus quiz is due. On Monday, January 31st, Module 1 syllabus quiz is due, and then you also have your Module 1 exam. So pay attention to these due dates. I've already put in when the exams are going to happen, so make sure that those are in your calendar so that you know. Announcements, you can click there, or you'll see the most 3 current announcements on that home page. These are the modules. I encourage you to start in the start here. That has this Canvas and syllabus tour videos, a little bit about me, some prior student reflections, some resources, and a picture on growth mindset, which I definitely encourage you to look over and sort of think about how you learn, and if you're in the fixed or the growth mindset. I definitely believe that organic chemistry requires a growth mindset as you progress through this learning journey. Scrolling down, you'll next find Wiley Plus and iClicker resources. So the Wiley Plus resources should be preloaded into your Canvas course shell, provided that you did not opt out of receiving them. So you can click on this link to register your iClicker remote. If you have the physical remote, if you have the app, log in through the app and register that way. Module 0 is all about the syllabus. There is a quiz related to that, so that quiz is due Wednesday, January 26th. You're definitely encouraged to read through all of these pages and understand the policies for the course and USM's policies as well. So Module 1 is Oxidation State 1 functional groups. There is a quiz on that. So if I click in the synopsis, you'll see essentially what's copied from the syllabus on this page. If I go to the next page, this is where you will find the PowerPoint slide decks now. They'll be housed within the modules themselves. Your attendance will be measured through daily lecture quizzes using a zip grade form that I will talk about the first day of class. And here within this table in Canvas, I will post the answers to those questions. So below that are screencasts that I've created in prior semesters and have uploaded on concepts or problem solving or tutorials that are related to the materials for that module. I am definitely open to answering questions by creating screencasts and uploading them in here. You should look through these ones to see if they answer your current questions as sort of a first go round. So if we click on next, this actually brings us to chapter 11, which is the Wiley resources. So you see that essentially chapter 11 and all your chapters are linked directly into Canvas. So if I click on that, it opens a second window, which is not viewable in this video, but essentially it's going to take you right to the course textbook, again, which you have access through the USM First Day policy, which gives you access to all your course resources electronically through Canvas, so you don't have to go to the bookstore for anything. So the modules are all set up the same. You can only view Module 1 right now. Module 2 has not been published yet, but it's essentially the same thing. Syllabus Quiz, synopsis, which is essentially the material from the syllabus again. PowerPoint slide decks, YouTube screencasts, and then the access to the chapters. So that's Module 3, Module 4, Module 5. So the assignments are shown here. They're your pre-module quizzes. Those are due before the module exams. The module exams are shown here. You don't really have access to anything there. It's just a score that's going to be posted. You take the exams in class. I record the score. I enter the score in Canvas, and that's what you see. The other assessments, the attendance points, you'll see here from ZipGrade, and your performance points, which are going to be measured through iClicker. There's grades. I'm not going to click on that because that shows everyone's grades. Discussions. I've created a Module 1 exam discussion board, which you are strongly encouraged to post any questions you have in here. If you don't ask the question, I don't know that you have the question. So it's definitely, I encourage you to post your question there, and I also encourage other students to respond to those questions so that we can get a discussion going about things that are unclear. I have a pinned discussion here on FDA approved drugs, which is pretty cool. It's a poster that was created, I found on the internet, about the different small molecules that the FDA approved in 2021. Definitely some rich source of exam questions here, if you ask me. So pages, those are just pages that you find in the modules. Quizzes, if you click here, these can launch your quizzes. I definitely encourage you to do the quizzes as soon as you can. Don't put it off because they will help you understand what you are supposed to be doing in the modules. So this has been a short tour of the Canvas course shell, Organic Chemistry 2 for the spring 2022 semester.